Crows asleep amidst the trees. Bats all are swaying in the breeze.
Guys, this is Lady Blind Wolf, and I thought today we would do some connecting with nature and connecting with animals. So we thought we'd bring you out here to one of the zoos we have out here. Sorry about all the background noise, but it's Saturday and there's a lot of people. Where's it? Try not to get anybody in the shot.
You see this birdie? It's a kookaburra. Hi, come back. She said no.
It's a lot cuter than a sleeping birdie.
Can you hold my hand? Are you going? There we go. And mommy? You meet me and mommy now? Okay. No, don't take
So they've got all kind of different animals out here at the little zoo. And right now we're in the Australian animal part of it. So coming up, kiss him. Sorry about the camera angle, guys. So, gotta go over here. Sorry, honey. And I'm gonna come back around as soon as I'm done and take some shots for the slideshow.
You have to stay on this side.
And here's some emus. And they've got some really cool stuff here, guys. So they've got dingoes, and they've got a lot of animals out here. So hopefully it'll all come through right when I edit it. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Sorry. You guys can see I'm going to try to zoom in, so I apologize.
I could zoom into my picture after
Yeah.
you take it.
Well, I'm doing the video right now, but there's the bald eagle exhibit here that they have. I'd go around back, but that's not really like where they feed them, and I don't think anybody would appreciate seeing some dead rats and whatnot back there, so let's open. Okay, guys, I'm trying not to show anybody in the video, but we're in the barn right now. That is one big piggy. They have goats and all that kind of stuff. They don't have anything. No, they got a rabbit back there. I still think that's a rabbit.
Domestic rabbit.
Oh, yeah. We've got some rabbits right here. We'll go out into the other area and hello, bunny. Oh, I had one and that rabbit hated me. Ooh, that rabbit hated me. And then here's a llama. And there's a mommy goat. Hello, mama. She's not in the mood to be messed with. And of course, we got a little miniature horse here, guys. I'm trying not to get anybody's kids in the video. And then there's more outside, guys. There's just so much more to show you guys. Hiya, buddy. Can we see your pretty face? Huh? Can we see your pretty face? Probably not. You're too busy feeding your face, huh? Get back out of these guys' way so they can have a turn. Then we'll come out, go over here to the open area. You've got like a little petting zoo out here. Sorry guys, it's so bright out that Yeah. It's so bright out here that I can't really see what I'm... There's a goat.
Yeah, that one's...
Yeah, let's not show the goat's butt. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. Oh, I think you a mama, huh? Huh? They are going to open the butterfly house next weekend. Oh, look at that rooster.
Who's Chinese phone?
There's another goat. Oh, no, 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 no. You can't eat my leg. We come back through and take pictures. I think there's more goats over here. Just try not to get... Oh yeah, it's Goat Central over here. You can get food and feed them and stuff. Woo! You're gonna have babies soon, huh? Oh, she's gonna make you take it home with you. That's what's gonna happen.
Daddy, can we put it in the trunk? Come home later on after work on Monday, she'll have it hid away in the closet in your bedroom.
That one's gonna give. That one's about to pop right there. You can see it's so bright that I can't
get a better picture on the other side.
Yeah, it's so bright out that I can't see the phone, but this is their ferret and prairie dog exhibit, and you can go through these little tunnels and come up in the exhibit, but I'm not going to attempt that right now with my knee. Their owl exhibit.
Facing the other way. Go right here when we go around the other side of it.
Yeah. You can see the otters. This is where they keep their otters at, guys. Sometimes they'll...
Yeah, I'm videoing it.
Well then...
I'm Luke Skywalking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a bird.